Look at these potatoes. Tender on the inside, caramelized on the outside, and not one bit mushy. This is a true Southern classic, and paired with budget-friendly dishes, it makes a cheap meal taste like $1,000,000. I'm starting with 4 to 5 potatoes. Now, my rule of thumb is simple. If the skin on the potatoes is thick, I peel them. If the skin is thin, I leave it on. Do whatever you prefer. Once they're peeled and diced, I rinse them and give them a 3 to 4 minute soak while I chop the onion. That pulls out some of the starch so the potatoes fry instead of turning to mush. After soaking, I drain off that water and I pat the potatoes dry with a paper towel. The drier they are, the better they brown. I want as much real estate as possible for frying, so I'm using an electric skillet. It's wide and it heats evenly, but cast iron works beautifully. Non-stick works. I'm coating the bottom of the skillet with olive oil. I'm not deep frying here. I'm just adding enough oil to help everything cook evenly over medium heat. You can also use bacon grease or butter. Use whatever flavor you like. Just don't drown the potatoes in the oil. I'm adding the potatoes and I spread them out as much as possible. Then I add the diced onion right on top. I'm seasoning with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Now, growing up, my mama only used salt and pepper on hers, but I love seasoning, so I use what tastes good to me. You do the same. I'm putting the lid on at first and setting the heat to medium. If you turn the heat too high, they'll burn before they soften. If you go too low, they won't caramelize. After a few minutes, I give them a good flip and put the lid right back on. We need a tiny bit of steam trapped inside here so the potatoes cook through, but once those potatoes are tender, I remove the lid and then let them finish cooking uncovered. This is where they get that perfect caramelized color. I just cook them until they look my kind of golden perfection. And that's it. Southern fried potatoes and onions, simple, inexpensive, and pure comfort. These are perfect with salmon patties, soup beans, pinto beans, smoked sausage and peppers, or honestly, just by themselves. If you want to cook at home more, save money, and feed your family well, just start with whole ingredients. Hit subscribe to our channel and learn how to cook real delicious Southern food. The simple way. See you next time.